Alright, so I'd like to see your graphs, and I also need to see what these next couple questions that I'm going to ask you. So I'd like to see your bar graphs when you're finished. Make sure you're on the right track, so come find me. And then also I have a number of questions here that I'm going to ask you, and after each question I need you to pause the video and write down a quick response on a loose leaf sheet of paper or scratch paper or scrap paper, and then come find me, and I'm going to look at your answers for that as well. So first question is, and again, you should make sure that you've completed 1 through 4 on page 151 before you do this, okay, because a lot of these questions have to do with number 4, so make sure you've completed numbers 1 through 4 before you, so if you haven't done that, pause the video now. If you have, then you can keep going, and after each question I need you to pause the video, answer the question, and then I'll say the next question, pause the video, answer that question, and so on. Alright, so number 1 is, what is the graph in problem 4 called? Explain why it's called that. What is the graph in problem 4 called, and explain why. So pause the video, answer that question. If you need to hear the question again, scoot the video back a couple seconds and listen to it again. Okay, so should be pausing the video. Number 2, why do you think the slices are different sizes? Why do you think the slices of the graph are different sizes? Pause the video, answer that one. Number 3, do you notice any interesting slices or other features in the graph? Okay, do you notice any interesting slices or other features in the graph? Pause the video, answer that one. Number 4, how do you think the students made the graph? How do you think the students made the graph? Okay, pause the video, answer that one. And now I just want to do a quick review of what a circle graph should have. Okay, obviously a title. Okay, that's 1, a title that describes what's being graphed. 2 is the sectors or slices that indicate the portion of the whole represented by a group or category. Okay, the sectors or slices that indicate the portion of the whole represented by a group or category. And number 3 is the labels that identify the group or category represented by each sector or slice. Number 3 was labels that identify the group or category represented by each sector or slice. Okay, so now what I need you to do, you should have already completed page 151 and those last couple questions. If you need to go back to the last couple questions that I asked, pause the video and rewind a little bit. Otherwise, you can move on to the Math Box 5.9 on page 152. Good luck. Let me know if you have questions.